Hello, I'm Maria Brookes and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my paint pouring techniques. First, let me show you what I paint on. This is high impact polystyrene sheet. You can get many different thicknesses, but I prefer to use the 1mm thick. It's flexible, as you can see, which enables me to bend the sheet over the work surface to stretch out the paint and the cells. I pre-mix all my paints using Liquitex pouring medium with a variety of different makes of fluid acrylic. Use the big bottles, get for a lot of paint. So let's get going. Right, so I'm going to start by layering up the colours. I've used these colours before, so I know they work well next to each other and I won't end up with mud. I love the lime against the stone colour. Makes it look so vivid. I'm just doing 2 horizontal layers of colour before I start swiping. Just swiping here with a white. And I'm going to swipe the other way with black and the lime green, metallic lime green. The swiping tool I'm using, it's just a filling knife with some high impact polystyrene sheet stuck on with tape. Works quite well. Now I'm just putting white right around the edge, so as it expands it does it smoothly, and we'll have the white underneath. And now start making the cells. So it's the tiniest amount of my oil mix. I'm applying it with a tool I made myself, which is a pen case, an old pen case with a piece of cotton threaded through. I'll just dip that in and make the cells. This is so much fun to do. You can vary the size of the cells just by the amount of oil you apply. So for a small cell, just touch the paint quickly, and for a bigger cell, leave it for a few seconds. It also depends on how thick the paint is. If the paint's very thick, you'll get a bigger cell. If you stretch the paint out first and then make a cell, it will be much smaller. What I'm going to do now is bend the sheet over the edge of the table to stretch out the paint and the cells. Make a bit of a mess, and then just use a scraper just to scrape the edge off. It enables you to get the paint to reach the edge of the hip sheet. You can also get rid of bits you don't like and stretch out the cells you do like. What I'm going to do now is put some stone colour paint beneath the white and then stretch the white over the stone colour paint and then make some more cells, which is quite a nice effect. Just something I've only discovered recently. Now just working on the edges of the sheet, tidying them all up and getting the paint to reach the edge. And now we're just about done, I think. The cells will continue to grow and you will get white dots coming up in the paint. You can soak these up with a cocktail stick. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I shall be making some more very soon.